Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will try to see about the usage of these logical operators and conditional operators in the C programming language, which are essential tools for decision making in the programs. So let us try to understand each one in this video. So first one is logical operators. So that is nothing but we can say it as an yes or no problem. So I already told you the logical operators are the mainly three types. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions or expressions to produce a Boolean result, true or false. The three main logical operators are logical AND, logical OR, and also the logical NOT. So in this video, we will see about this logical thing. So for example, let's say that I will try to write a program for this one. So normally, so let's try to understand a program that where the insurance eligibility of a driver. So we'll try to see the program, something like the insurance eligibility of a driver. So it should be determined based on his marital status, gender and age. So the driver will be insured only if, so this is the program which we'll try to write. If he is married and they are an unmarried male above 30 years old, or they are unmarried female above 25 years old, then only this insurance is valid. So now if you want to take an insurance means at least you should be married, or otherwise if you are unmarried means and male means then you should be 30 years old, or otherwise if you are unmarried female means then you should be 25 years old. So now the C program which we are trying to write it here, so we need to use the logical operators for this one. So the C program uses logical operators to combine these conditions into a single check. The conditions are checked using logical AND and also logical OR, and the final decision is made using an if condition. So let's try to write this one. So for this one, so what can I do here? So the condition in which we can write it is, for example, let's say that I have already the code with me. So just I will copy and paste it here so that you can able to understand it clearly. I will explain you the code here. So here we are having explanation of this thing. So here we are having a character, char, sex, and also the marital status we are trying to check. And we are checking the int age also. So these are all the things I am getting it. Age, sex, and also the marital status. So here we need to enter it. So now here I am trying to check the conditions for this one. So here marital status is equal to M. So that means if the driver is married and the result is true, insured. So if the marital status is married means then it is true. So for example, if the second condition, if the marital status is if the driver is unmarried and male and older than 30, then it is true. Okay, and another one I am trying to check, if he is unmarried, the driver is unmarried, female, and he is greater than 25, then it is also true. So if any of these conditions are true means then the driver should be insured. So now if I try to execute this one, so let's try to see it here. So it will ask you age. Okay, fine. So I will write it as an 45. Okay, and I should be sex is so unmarried. Okay, so I will try to add it as an unmarried, and also I am male. Let's try to check it. So now here if I try to see, driver should be insured. So that is the thing. So now using logical operators with multiple conditions, so you can also check the logical operators. So now we will try to see logical operators. See, now in this one I will try to explain you about the logical operators, logical and logical OR can simplify decision making process involving multiple conditions. For example, in a company salary calculation program, the salary depends on the gender, years of service and qualification. So if you want to write it means, so you can have very big one. So I will try to explain you this one. So here I can have a simple code. So just I want to show you the simple code for this one. So here year of service, qualification and also the salary. So here we are asking enter gender, year of service and qualification. So like this we can use these multiple conditions like this and we can able to get this one. So we'll try to see the scenarios and all the things. This program calculates the salary based on the three factors: gender, years of service and qualification. The logical operators AND and OR are used to combine the conditions that determine the salary. So if the gender is male and years of service is greater than 10 and also the qualification is equal to 1 means then the salary will be 11,000. So else if gender is male and year of service is greater than 10 and the qualification is equal to 0 means, so here graduate and also the postgraduate. So if he is only the graduate means the OR if the gender is male and year of service is less than 10 and the qualification is postgraduate means then the salary is 10,000. So like this, based on the qualifications and all the things, so you can able to determine, write the logic for this one. So the last one which I want to tell you is the not operator. Okay, the not operator is used to reverse the logical value of the expression. If an expression is true means applying the not operator will make it false, and vice versa. This is particularly useful for negating the conditions. For example, if not of flag, something like that. So this is how we will be trying to do it. So we should also know about the operator precedence. The second one which I want to tell you is the operator precedence. So now here, if I want to learn about this operator precedence here, in C programming, operators have different levels of precedence which determine the order in which the operations are performed in an expression. So now I will try to provide the value summary of this one. So logical NOT has the highest precedence, and star, this one, arithmetic operations have the next highest precedence. Logical AND has a lower precedence, and OR has the lowest precedence. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before those with lower precedence. You can use parentheses to alter the order of evaluation if needed. So the last one which I want to discuss you with before closing this one is conditional operator. So now what is this conditional operator or ternary operator, we can say. The conditional operator is a shorthand for an if-else statement and is sometimes called the ternary operator because it takes three operands. The general syntax is expression, question mark, expression 2 and expression 3. I will write it here. Expression 1, question mark, expression 2 and expression 3. If expression 1 is true means then expression 2 is evaluated and returned. If expression 1 is false means then expression 3 is evaluated and returned. For example, let's say that this is our example. Int x is equal to age greater than 18 means then 1 0. So if age is greater than 18 means then x will be 1 or else x will be 0. So this is a simple thing. So you can also use the nested conditional operators also. So nested conditional operators means you can nest conditional operators to handle more complex conditions. For example, here if you try to check it here, big is equal to a is greater than b, then we will be checking a is greater than c, then 3 or otherwise 4. So if a is not greater than b means then I will try to check whether b is greater than c or not. So then 6 and 8. So this one is the complex nested conditional operators. So now what I want to tell you is, so there is points out a common mistake where the colon part of the conditional expression might cause an error if it includes multiple statements. To fix this, enclose this one in a parenthesis. For example, let's say that here I will try to show you a is greater than b means question mark g is equal to a or otherwise g is equal to b. So this is the correct way. So this is how you can assigning thing, you can do it. So total in the summary what I want to explain you is, so now this video explains how logical operators, logical AND, logical OR and not operator and conditional operators like question mark this one are used to handle decision making programs in the C program. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions while the conditional operators provide a more concise way to express simple if-else statements. Understanding the precedence of operators and using parentheses effectively is key to ensuring that expressions evaluate in the correct order. So this is the main thing which I want to explain you. So here in this video we have learned about the logical operators like logical AND, logical OR, how we can use it with the different ways, and also the not operator we have seen. And we have seen about the operator precedence also. The not operator has the highest precedence and OR has the lowest precedence. And we have seen about the ternary operator, question mark and the colon, which will be evaluated. So that is guys about this one. So hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.